Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Unit, then please continue to. Okay, y'all, so this is yet another unit that I caught with my own coins. You guys know I like to shout myself out when I cop a unit with my own coins. So go, Chrissy, shout out to you, boo. Okay, so the unit that I am wearing is an old school wig, and this child, I have the world's worst memory. I'm gonna keep it a whole buck with y'all. I don't know if I reviewed this wig or not. I feel like I've had a unit similar to this, and I may be confusing the two. It kind of reminds me of Jenner, so I'm like, maybe that's what, you know, maybe that's why it's giving me vibes that I've done it before. But honey, I don't know if you remember me doing this, because I ain't see it nowhere. Okay, I ain't see it nowhere that I had done it. But if you remember me doing this wig, comment down below. But I don't think I have. So this unit is by Sensational, and honey, you guys know how I feel about Sensational, girl. Okay,
Sensational.
And this wig is their instant fashion wig, and it is in the style Lisa. I do have it in the color DR27. It says jump from style to style at a great value. And that's because, you know, you have this little bang where you can kind of do other things with it. And we'll get into that in a little bit. This unit is heat safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And they do have on here Sensational style in 60 seconds. And on the back, it just gives you guys the special colors, and it gives you the maintenance. And yeah, this is what this unit looks like on the stock card. And on the back, it just, like I said, has the special colors. Okay, y'all, so with this particular wig, this unit was definitely giving me old school vibes. I used to love, when I first started getting into short wigs, because it took me a minute. My husband liked short hair, so I was like, and then I tried Nuna, and then I fell in love with Nuna, and then it just started like a series of me just loving short units. And that is the vibe that this wig is giving me. It's actually another wig that I really, really love that I had in a similar color. Because I actually, honestly, y'all, I used to wear my hair like this. Okay, I used to wear my hair this color, this length when I was in high school. I kid you not. So I don't know what it was with me that I didn't like short wigs, but once I started wearing them, honey, I could not stop. Okay, I love a good short unit, and I really love the fact that short wigs are affordable. I know they can be kind of like, I don't know if I want to do a short wig. I don't know about that, you know. But I feel like if you try them, then honey, you probably won't stop either, okay? Because they're just really, really convenient. Now, as far as shedding and tangling with this unit, I have not experienced any. Honey, the hair is this long, I didn't expect to experience any. And honestly, with my shorter wigs, like, they last forever. Like, literally, I did a video, I think last year, wearing the same Nuna wig that I had for 2 years, and honey, oh girl, still look good. Okay, she still look good. So that's my thing with short wigs, especially short synthetic wigs. Like any short wig, but with synthetic wigs, I know we always worry about the longevity of them, but when it comes to a short wig, honey, I just feel like the longevity of a short synthetic wig, it just does it. Okay, honey, You can have it for years and she still look good. So yeah, this wig did not come with any combs whatsoever, and I do feel like she is big head friendly. I did adjust the straps because old girl ain't got no combs, and I got stuff to do, people see and all that kind of stuff, and I don't need her coming off my head, so I made her extra tight, and she fits good. So in my opinion, she's big head friendly, but I am a medium cap size. I say that because, honey, I don't have a big cap size and I don't have a small cap size, so all I can do is speculate, okay? So I am speculating that she is big head friendly because I had to adjust the straps. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs with this unit. Now, if you are interested in a full 360 as well as how I feel about this unit and me just kind of playing with the bang and showing you guys, you know, other things that you can do with this sort of unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so I am honestly feeling this wig. Like I said, kind of just takes me back to my roots. I love a good short unit like this with a bang that you can play with. Honey, you can make old girl like a mushroom sort of style if you want to. Like if you want to just rock it like that, you can put it over to the side and tuck the hair behind the ears, you know, like I got right now. You can bring all that out and do a completely different sort of style if you want to. Like, I feel like, you know, despite the fact that it's a short wig, it's still a lot that you can do with it. You can create different styles with it. You can move the bang over to that side if you want to. Like if you prefer your bang on this side, you can do that as well. Like, I just feel like she's still, child, I got this hair all in my eyes. Despite the fact that it's a short wig, it offers versatility and you can just play with it to make it how, you know, to fit your face or whatever style that you want. And that's what I always like about these sort of wigs, is that they are versatile. Like, I just feel like you can't beat the versatility of these sort of wigs. And I don't give them a whole lot of thought. Like, I'm not ever like super precise with it because I like a sort of messy look anyway. So I just kind of, you know, I don't get a comb, I don't get a brush, I just like literally that's what I do. And I feel like, you know, despite it being short, she offers versatility. And honey, I'm not gonna lie. Now, from what I saw with the back, it looks like the back is popping. Because you know with short wigs, that is the biggest thing. The back. Okay? We don't want the wiggy looking back. And from what I could see, honey, the back looked like she's popping. Now, I could be wrong, but she looks like she's popping. I'm gonna try to get Reggie to get me a picture of the back when he comes home on his lunch break, because I think the back is popping. But yeah, I like that this wig offers, like I said, versatility. It's a few things you can do with it, even though it's a short wig. So I always love that about these sort of wigs, when they have a good big messy bang. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling it. Like, I am. And I know y'all like, girl, get your hands out your head, but I'm trying to go back to the style that I had, child. That's what I want my first picture to look like, but we'll figure it out later. But yeah, I am definitely feeling this a wig. I would like to know what you guys think about it. Are you feeling it? Do you think she's a look? Do you think she's a vibe? Do you own this wig? Because old girl is old. Okay, she's old. So let me know if you own this wig. I want to look at the price right quick. I'm pretty sure she's not very expensive, but hold on. Girl, this unit is $13, honey. Okay, so I feel like, especially with the price, you just can't go wrong with this wig. And sometimes you gotta take it back to the oldies. Okay, now granted, this part may look wiggy, but honey, child, let's keep it a whole buck. People know you wearing a wig anyway, sis. Okay, let me be a little honest. Okay, like no matter how effortless or how you put your unit on, for the most part, they gonna know you wearing a wig anyway. I don't particularly care. I like this wig. I think she's cute. I think she's a look. I think she's a vibe. And I think I want bigger earrings with her. Okay. I just do. So yeah, I'm feeling it. I need to know what you guys think. Let me know down below in the comments. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a full 360 because I don't have to do a lip check because this is it, girl. No Michael Jackson. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this full 360. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And I hope you guys can see the back. And this is it on the right side. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you're feeling it. Do you think she's a look? Do you think she's a vibe? Let me know down below. I will have a direct link to her down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, honey, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment phone. If you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button, so it's not gonna cost you not 1 red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time.